Cell Factory. Cell Factory is a VR interactive game that helps us learn about the basic cell structure. We will be able to closely examine each organelle and learn about their functionality while putting it together to create a eukaryotic cell. First of all, the pad will show all of the organelles needed for us to put them in their corresponding position. Once we picked an organelle, its information will be shown on the big screen to help us learn more about it. We don't need to rely on our imagination of what a cell looks like anymore. In Cell Factory VR, you will watch as cell comes to life right in front of you. This makes the learning experience much more interesting and unforgettable. Vector space. When students are learning geometry, lots of them have difficulties imagine the concept of vector space. This VR interactive game is going to help us understand the relationship between polyhedral and cross-section. In Vector Space VR, there are 3 kinds of polyhedral on the left side to choose from. We can freely slice the chosen polyhedral and observe its cross-section by using one of the controllers. After practice, we can challenge different quizzes to demonstrate our knowledge of the vector space we just learned in this innovative and effective learning environment.